Hey there, friends. Nibs again. Out here at the range today, doing a little bit of goofing around. It's been a long time since I've gotten out to the range. The whole month of January. I don't think I was at the range at all for January. If I was, it was right in the beginning because I can't remember being out at the range at all. It's been a long time. The weather's just been horrible every weekend. Mostly wind. That really makes it unpleasant in the wintertime when you get out there. But we are out here just doing a little bit of plinking, literally plinking. I have some steel silhouettes set up at about 30 yards, and then I have my gong and that aluminum heat sink that we've been plinking out at about 45-ish yards. And we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of plinking with the old brand new Crosman Prospect I got here. And we're going to be talking about, and basically what we're going to be talking about in this video is some new magazines that were sent over to me by Maple Custom Products. Really pretty cool stuff. You guys know I really love my buck rail stuff, and Maple Custom Products is my favorite magazine for my air guns. And been doing a lot of work with Jay up there for quite a while, and I have his newest innovation, I guess you could say. It's really pretty much the same magazine he's been making all along, but he has now started making them out of fiberglass reinforced 3D printing plastic. I don't remember the name of the plastic, but honestly, I never had any problems with his other magazines. So maybe it's a problem, or a problem looking for a solution, or a solution looking for a problem, I guess is how you'd say it. But supposedly these are quite a bit stronger than his original magazines. He still has the originals too, if you prefer those. He did color the centerpiece blue on these ones, so you could tell the difference between these and his original magazines. I have, I don't know, dozens of the other magazines, and I have yet to have a failure on any of those at all. So, but I guess if you're looking for a magazine that you could use for a wheel chock for your forklift, but really great stuff. I like these, so I'm not so much of a snob that I hate the ones that you have to rotate the cover and everything to get it to get the first one in and everything, but I do prefer these that you just spin the dial and drop them in. And it seems like all the ones that are like from the manufacturers that you have to spin the dial around, those ones have last round hold open. And then the ones that come, and this is the original magazine for this Prospect, but this one is the one you can drop your pellet in there and then spin it, but that doesn't have last round hold open. So it seems like the manufacturers haven't been able to figure out how to make best of both worlds. But Maple has. So, but we're going to go ahead and shoot a couple mags full, I think, here. I love this Prospect. It's a very accurate gun. So let's start it off right. And pa-ting! That's for you, Riddick. All right. Let's see. Let's hit that chunk of aluminum out there too. Again, that's about 45 yards. So now these silhouettes that are up in closer are about 30 yards. So 2-inch or 3-inch black one to the right. And I do have the buck rail suppressor on the end of here, and really calms down that muzzle report on this thing quite a bit. And it is also set up with the Nate Crony, Buck Crony chronograph, but my camera's downrange, so we're not getting any data right now. I guess I could have it set up on this one, just capturing it. And so that was what, 5 shots. All right, so now we have our silhouettes there. So these are the Crosman Premier Hollow Points. Oh, that one went right over the pig's back. I see where it hit the wood. There he is. That was all my fault. All right, let's hit the ram, and that should leave us 1 shot to go back out to the... Oh, did I miscount? I must have miscounted. So let's see, we got 1, 2, and then 7. Okay, because I had 1 miss. All right, so now we've got some JTS dead centers. These are the 21 green. Best I can tell, my point of impact did not shift any great amount. When I was running the chronograph test with them, I actually dropped about 150 feet per second, 140 feet per second, switching over from a 14.3 to a 21.5 green pellet, but did not notice any point of impact shift, which is pretty interesting. Better check my air. This is about this will be about my 5th magazine on this air load here. Still in the green. Let's keep rolling. So this Prospect is kind of the replacement from Crosman for the Icon that they had to do a recall on. All right, let's hit the gong first. That sounded a little louder. All right, and our aluminum chunk. That definitely sounded loud. That one was definitely louder for sure. All right, first spinner. Did that go all the way around when I was hitting it with the 14.3s? I don't think it did. Little spinner. That was a hard smack. Chicken. I'm kind of surprised that those targets are standing up in the snow. Turkey. See if I can not miss the pig this time. All right, and then the ram. Nice. All right, back to the gong, and that should be our last shot. Yep, there you go. So anyway, that's some pretty awesome stuff. I like all of the Maple custom mags, but this is brand new stuff he sent me over. One's for, so I've got, so this style here that fits in this Crosman will also fit like the Benjamin Marauder and the what do you call it, Beeman guns. So you just got to match up the right caliber, and also the buck rail or the Barra 1100Z uses similar magazines. So if you've got the 22 caliber, the one I just got's a 25 caliber. He did send me some 25 caliber. Those will also fit the Umarex Origin. He didn't send me one of these for the what do you call it, the Zelos, but that's okay. Did send me one of these for the Notos, so that's pretty cool. And the what do you call it, the Diana Storm Rider, which will also fit the Seneca Dragonfly. So he's got these for everything. So, but anyway, there you go. My hands are getting cold, so I am going to get running. Hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.